Serwaa Hofe. Ayagum. Ayagum. Tia. Gum for mutie. Kase ye vice president di ene warfare. Ovia. Medasi. Mame Evelyn Serwaa Bonsu. Tie national so ha. Ye de nim se brofo na ne wo mu me nso me twi ni e na oba bi di machie. Obaka brofo na nso se me twi ameka nyina wote ntitie ni ye. E kotete wo bluchire e na ade abetena ga na ha na wo ye nnwuma kese wa ha. E nenne ya pagya wo. E dipadum wo nyina ga na fo nyina ehwe wo sese. E na obi anso tie wo. Wo be hye party ni bo. Wo be gina mo de nsi wo party nyina anim. Se party no kwa ye kɔ no wo beta echi.
I,
Bodi my name.
Evelyn Serwaa Bonsu,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I shall serve
that I shall serve
the Ghana Union Movement
the Ghana Union Movement
as a running mate
as a running mate
for the 2024 general election
for the 2024 general election
with all honesty,
with all honesty,
sincerity.
sincerity.
I promise to promote,
I promise to promote,
protect,
protect,
uphold
uphold
the vision of Ghana Union Movement
the vision of Ghana Union Movement
at all levels,
at all levels,
abide by the rules
abide by the rules
and regulation of GUM.
and the mission of God.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Hey, GUM. GUM for Nananom Epe Famosia, chairman for district executives. Amochesia, and then Mame Serwaa Bonsu. Be presented the amount as a vice presidential candidate. Fogum! Fogum! Ayagum! Ayagum!